The kitchen sink can be a breeding ground for unpleasant odors. And this is often due to food debris clogging the sink. When utensils are not thoroughly scraped of food before being washed, the remaining scraps and leftovers accumulate in the pipes underneath, particularly in the U-bend, where a biofilm collects and compacts the trash, resulting in a blocked sink. As the debris decomposes, bacteria growth is encouraged, leading to a foul smell. To eliminate this smell, a mixture of hot water and dish soap can be poured down the drain. However, a clogged sewer vent can also be the culprit, as trapped gases accumulate and cause a bad smell. This issue can be resolved by using baking soda and vinegar, pouring a cup of each down the drain and waiting 10 minutes before flushing with hot water. Additionally, an unnoticed leak can be the source of the smell, as water seeps through pipes and soaks surrounding materials, leading to a moldy smell. Identifying and replacing damaged pipes can help prevent the kitchen sink from smelling. By addressing these potential causes, the smell can be cured, and a fresh kitchen sink can be maintained.